Life can get a little crazy sometimes. With an endless list of commitments and unopened emails, it's no surprise that sometimes we need, well, let's be honest, sometimes we deserve a break. We deserve to escape work and the mundane. We deserve to mark ourselves out of the office. And we deserve to have a real adventure, to let loose, unwind, and feel the wind in our hair. We deserve to unplug, get a little lost, and experience something new. Like a place unlike anywhere else, or even trying something unlike anything else. We deserve to celebrate our hard work, take a second to feel completely free, and enjoy the little moments that get lost in the everyday. We deserve to expand our horizons, go with the flow, and let the wind take us, well, wherever we go. Because when life gets a little crazy, just remember, you deserve to be in a pretty great place.